going to be showing you the Moby Move. This carrier is in the Twilight colorway and it's priced at just under $100, which is a really great value. This is a soft structured carrier, which means that it goes on you using buckles. It is very adjustable. The first thing I'll point out is it has a combination of mesh and fabric, so it gives you and baby a little bit more airflow. It has this head support that can be snapped down like so, and it has a highly adjustable waist, which means that it's great for little babies and bigger ones. So along the waist, I'm just gonna unbuckle the carrier so you can see it has a lumbar support that goes in back for a front carry, and then it'll go in your front for a back carry. On this waist here, you can adjust the panel simply by moving these pieces, and you can see the carrier gets much smaller for a smaller baby, and as baby grows, you can adjust it. So I'm gonna actually kind of have it in the middle setting because my baby doll is about the size of a 6-month-old. So I'm gonna place the carrier on my waist, and I'm gonna come around and back, and I just feel for this elastic. I run the webbing through, and I buckle. I will then tighten it on this side and tighten on that side. Just like that, I'm pretty much good to go. I'm gonna unbuckle the chest clip, and I'm gonna grab my baby. Baby's just gonna go on me like so. Get them in a nice seated position. Carrier comes up and over them. And I'm gonna place the strap on one shoulder, strap on the other. And I like to keep the straps loose so that way it's a little bit easier to do the chest clip. So I'm gonna reach around and back, and I'm just gonna feel for the chest clip on this side that has a handy little pad, and on this side, and I'm going to clip. I'm then just going to tighten on both sides, and it does offer a dual tightening, so you can adjust by pulling forward or backwards, or back. It has a hood that is removable. I'm just gonna snap down the head support like so, and just like that, we are good to go. This is the Moby Move carrier. To get baby out of the carrier, it's pretty easy. All you're gonna do is come to this side here, and I like to flip just like that with my thumb on one side and flip with the other. I'm gonna come around and back and reach for that chest clip. Have one hand on baby, remove the straps, and just like that, you're good to go. This carrier can also be worn on the back. This baby is too small for that position. However, we are going to show you the outward facing position. So just as you were putting the baby towards you this time, baby is going to face away from you. So this position is great for babies that are a little bit more curious. Probably starting around 6 months, they want to see the world a bit more, and this allows them for short periods of time to be able to take in the world from that outward facing position. So you're going to have the carrier like so, and you're going to hold baby against you. You're going to reach down and pull up the carrier up over baby, and the straps go up and over you. And just like you did the last time, you're going to reach in back, and you're going to clip the chest clip. And now you need to tighten. This carrier can also be worn with the straps crossed in back. So if you don't like having to reach, you just have to crisscross them. And just like that, baby is good to go. You can remove the hood because there's no need for it when they're in that outward facing position, and you're off to see the world. To get baby out, all you have to do is do the reverse. You just loosen your straps on both sides, reach around and back, and get baby out. This is the Moby Move.